Are you looking to buy a window cleaning robot to save time on maintaining your windows but don't know which one to choose? You're in the right video, that's what we're going to find out. All the links are available in the description below. For flawless results, you need a window cleaning robot that can fully cover the surface, with a reliable navigation system, sufficient battery life, and effective cleaning pads. We've selected 3 highly rated models known for their reliability and ease of use. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Here are the 3 best window cleaning robots, from the most affordable to the most advanced. Let's go! First up, the Tosima W2 is a high-performance window cleaning robot with a suction power of 3,800 pascals, powered by a Japanese Nidec brushless motor that automatically adjusts its strength depending on the level of dirt. Its smart navigation system follows an S-shaped path for precise, even cleaning, minimizing missed areas. It offers 4 cleaning modes and can be manually controlled via remote. The triple safety system includes anti-fall sensors, edge detection, and strong adhesion on any glass surface, mirror, or tile. It comes with 12 washable microfiber pads and performs a 2-step cleaning cycle, dry first, then wet, for a streak-free finish. This versatile robot is ideal for both domestic and professional use, delivering thorough and effortless cleaning. Next, the Kuikibo S6 stands out with its elegant leather belt design and ultra-slim profile, measuring just 30 cm by 14 cm. Its lightweight build makes it easier to handle compared to traditional models. The upgraded dual water spray system uses atomized nozzles to avoid clogging and delivers 0.05 ml per spray for better cleaning performance. Thanks to its advanced brushless DC motor, the noise level stays between 58 and 65 decibels, making it one of the quieter options on the market. Designed to clean both framed and frameless glass, it features intelligent navigation and edge detection sensors. While it must be plugged in during use, the built-in backup battery keeps it safely attached to the window for up to 30 minutes in case of power failure. Finally, the Hutt W9 is a high-performance window cleaning robot engineered for safety and efficiency. Its unique triple-pressure design ensures strong adhesion on vertical surfaces, increasing grip by up to 200%. With 4 spray nozzles and a large 150 ml water tank, it can clean up to 90 square meters in one go. Powered by 3,800 pascals of adjustable suction, it adapts to dirt levels automatically using AI for optimized cleaning. Its 13 high-precision sensors detect edges and adapt to frameless glass, avoiding falls and maintaining smooth movement. Built with premium rubber and durable tracks, it protects your windows while delivering deep, streak-free results. Easy to operate, it offers one-button control and voice prompts for an intuitive user experience. You can find the links to the products in the description below. Don't hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time for another product comparison.